Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you a quick and simple recipe. This is going to be a recipe that's made out of leftover rice. So I have my rice over here, and again sometimes we have some leftover rice or other things, and so this is something, just turning it into a more tasty version of itself. So I have a little oil in my pan over here, and to that I'm going to add some cumin seeds. Now the couple of things I'm using today, how you can obviously use slice up some onions or some garlic as well, but I'm going to use this chili onion crunch here, and then I'm going to use this particular masala. It's a ready-made, it's basically it's a masala rice, and so you can put any veggies in this, anything, carrots, peas, any other leftover veggies if you have. So I have some potato and spinach veggie that I made, and so I'm just going to put that in as well. So I put in my cumin seeds. They are sizzling. In went the chili onion crunch as well. So this is really nice. I really like it. Sometimes if I want to do something quick, I'll also put this in, like just pressure cook some lentils and put it in there with some salt, and you're good to go. So again, this is in here, it's already sizzling. I'm going to dump in all of this rice in here now. Okay, so the rice is cold. This is a day old rice as well. So it's kind of, if you think of it, it's kind of an Indian fried rice. So just get it. Now, since I use the chili crunch and it's red, I'll see if I need to add anything else. At this point, I don't want to add a lot of spices because otherwise it's going to become too spicy. But sometimes we will add like a little bit of turmeric or chili powder as well. Okay, so as you can see, I am putting in my leftover spinach and potato in here. Now, technically all this is cooked, so all you're trying to do here is heat it up all the way through, okay? And then just like making sure everything is nicely mixed over as well. So let me add my this particular masala as well. Now again, that is totally optional. Even with this and a little bit of salt, if your rice doesn't already have, is good enough. But I'm going to add just a tad. So I added about 1/4 of a teaspoon of that masala. Going to add a splash of water here. This will help the masala mix up and also soften the rice a little bit. So this will take about 4 or 5 minutes. You can also close the lid and let it steam. I am going to add about 1/8 of a teaspoon of turmeric in here, just to give it some color. And basically that's it. As you saw, very simple recipe. Use up some leftover rice and you have a new dish. A lot of variations, you can do this, whatever works for you. I just wanted to give you some options. So yeah, enjoy it with some yogurt, or you can also just use some pickle, the Indian pickle as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.